Ever feel like your teen or students are drowning in to-dos and have no idea where to start? Between school, sports, jobs, and social pressures, everything feels urgent, but not everything is. One of my favorite tools for helping them prioritize is the Eisenhower Matrix. Let me show you how it works. This matrix has 4 boxes. The top left is urgent and important, things that need immediate attention, like tonight's homework or a test tomorrow. Top right is important but not urgent. Long-term projects, studying ahead, or planning college apps, these matter, but they don't scream for attention, so they often get ignored. Bottom left is urgent but not important. These feel pressing, like replying to a friend group chat or fixing a printer jam, but they're not critical to academic or personal goals. And then bottom right is not urgent and not important. This is the distraction zone, like endless scrolling, YouTube rabbit holes, or rearranging a desk that's already clean. You want to start by having your student list everything on their plate with due dates if possible. Then help them sort each item into the matrix. This turns chaos into clarity and helps reduce that anxiety. Encourage them to check this daily and update it. It helps them stay honest about what actually matters right now and what can wait. If you would like a free copy of my student-friendly Eisenhower Matrix template, drop the word matrix in the comments below or respond to my Google form and I'll send it over. This one tool has helped so many of my students feel less overwhelmed and more in control. Give it a try and let me know how it goes.